The rule of 72. It's a really, good calculation. It's a very simple one for you to use to find out how fast your investments might grow, right?
It is. And so a pretty smart individual is credited with coming up with the rule of 72. You might have heard of him before, Albert Einstein. And so to calculate, you just simply divide 72 by whatever expected rate of return you think you're going to get in order to get the number of years that you're going to need in order to double your investment. For example, if the expected rate of return is 8%, then it's going to take you 9 years for your investment to double, right? Because 72 divided by 8 is 9, and 9 times 8 is going to be your doubled investments. And by understanding what the expected rate of return is on any particular investment, you are able to use the rule of 72 just simply to estimate how long it'll take for your money to double in value. If an investor wants to double their money in 3 years, then they need an expected return of 24%, which doesn't happen that often, right? But that's what you would actually need.
Yeah, yeah. The 24% investments or returns on investment do not come around very often. Going to help put things in perspective, the old rule of 72 there.
So, if you were to invest or you to start investing or continue investing, my question is, who would you invest with? If you've listened to this radio show for a long time and you'd like to give me a call, have a little conversation, guess what, folks? You can. All you need to do is pick up a phone and give us a call. You've not made a decision until you actually take action. You can also visit the website at moneymatterswithmike.com. That's all spelled out. Or you can email me. You can send a carrier pigeon if you'd like them. The bottom line is take action. Stop procrastinating.